G'day traders, Sam here from Trade to Prosper. This time it's Truebit. It's been a while for a number of reasons. I haven't looked at it because it's still doing the accumulation. Here I have the 4-hour chart and I try to look at the current scenario and what are key levels and how it aligns with Fibonacci. It does definitely look like accumulation. Previous low was here, and you can say that was a key level, and we probably might touch it, although that one did touch it. We found there's support. This was absolutely a good buy, I think, 6 cents. And what we're looking for, and what I've noticed with Truebit, is it takes a while to get going. Like that formation there, it just took forever. But then you see the big move, the spring. So I think I did call that out, by the way. Looking at this, we had a grind line, so we found our base. So these levels are all going to be significant on the way up. So what we can say is that is a significant level. That is a significant level, because it's spent a fair bit of time, and you can see how this is now going to pan out. That was a reversal pattern. We're breaking out of it. So that's that there. Now let's look at it closer and see if we can look for any trades. So that's started to break up to the upside. We can see roughly from a trend line or a resistance. It's not the cleanest charts. I'm not sure if we can get anything better than that, but I think that trend line is significant. That level there, previous support, should be resistance. But if this could break above it, then we'll look for as a means of moving up. So the alt market is starting to move, and in turn Truebit's starting to move as well. That move there in the past few days is small, 10%, but it's still in the accumulation range. So what we've had from a structural perspective is previous bottom level met again. So this was a significant bottom level, and we just slightly higher than that, and I suppose that level there. What I noticed is the cycle. So we had one bounce, two bounces, three, and that's my thoughts in that aspect, that we are starting to move up, and I think we'll find resistance there, but then we'll probably hang around here for a while before we move up. The other possibility is that we do a strong move and then use this pullback, because this is going to be a strong resistance. We've been there for a while in that range, so that's definitely what was it, 10 cents resistance. Long term wise, what is there more to add? What kind of trades there is? This is all about accumulation, really. I would look for taking profit at certain levels based on price action, and I think this is a reversal bottom one, and that's like the secondary test, and then I think it will go up. This trend line, initial trend line, is going to be the resistance. If we break above that, then you probably add more, but let's see how that goes. Yep, it's not the cleanest line, but it makes sense that the way that's just grinded and then dropped, it didn't get a chance to break above. So at this level, I think is 10 cents, and it's a round number, it seems like. Is it 10 cents? Roughly 9.5 cents, all right. That is going to be our secondary accumulation range. So potentially what we have is that box for accumulation, and yeah, it could still come down, but that's what I'm thinking. If it breaks above this, then we are stage 2. Stage 1 is almost complete. Stage 2 is there, and then stage 3 maybe here before it goes up, and then we're free. And then I'll look at potentially that level there, about 12 cents. But really, it depends on what the alt market does. And if there's any news with Truebit, damn thing hasn't done it for a while. I'm not sure what those guys are doing. It's a good product, but if there's some good media campaign, then this could really fly off. I would not add more money to it. Already done what I've done portfolio wise, but you can see the macro picture that the triangle, it's likely to find resistance here and pull back but consolidate here before it breaks up. So I want to see this area first complete before it goes to there, and that will be a nice sign that we're almost to the last stages. And if we were to do it from an alley wave macro count, we can say that that is our A, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 5. We can say that's 5 as well. Yeah, so there's not much more to add. I'm still looking at accumulation. At times it just goes, the longer, like link, the longer it takes, the stronger the move it becomes. So we've been here since April 23, going sideways, and it wouldn't surprise me that sooner or later, when it does break out, it's going to be a strong move. Strong move based on this structure, that'll be roughly the target for the first one, and then the second target will be roughly there, which is about 40 cents or so. And it can move very quick, like with most alts. Oh, look at that. That was a good dump, and then that's why we had that good bounce. Yeah, for now, we're looking at recovering to that level. Or we can look at a Fibonacci perspective with the golden ratio. So I got those levels. Nearly 19 cents, nearly 20 cents, 19 cents. It might just wick above it. Liquidity wise, it might be another strategy. So we've got our liquidity levels here. It might just take that level out as well, 22 cents before we pull back and then consolidate here. So I do feel like it might just wick above, come back down, and we might be in a range before a continuation pattern like that. That's my thoughts for the moment. So please give me a like and share. Hopefully this helps you out with your strategy, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.